In the last class, we have discussed the meaning and measure of standardized death rate. This is the third measure of mortality. In this class, we are going to study the problems on standardized death rate. How to calculate STDR. Its short form we have to define as STDR. See the first example. Example 1. For the following data, compute standardized death rates in two towns, A and B. Full stop. Which town is healthier? Here two questions are there. The first question is for the following data, compute means calculate. What we have to calculate? Standardized death rate in two towns, town A and B. We have to calculate town A and B, their standardized death rate, STDR. Full stop. Second question is which town is healthier? Which town is healthier means write on their comment on this problem, means which one is the healthier, town A and town B. We have to calculate. See here the one table is given. This table is given in the question. What is the table here? Age group in years 0 to 10, 10 to 25, 25 to 60, 60 and above. Next, the second column is what is town A. In town A, two columns are there, population and deaths. What is the population value here? 4,000, 12,000, 6,000, 8,000. Next, deaths values are 36, 48, 60, 152. Next, town B values. In town B, two columns are given. What is the here two columns? First column is population. What are the population values? 3,000, 20,000, 4,000, 3,000. Next, the second column is what is deaths. The first value is 30, 100, 48, 60. Next, the last column is what is standard population is given. What is the standard population value is first is 2,000, 3,000, 6,000, 4,000. This is the table. By using this table here we have to calculate standardized death rate in two towns, town A and town B. How we calculate? Solution. First we have to write the for town A. First we have to calculate town A standardized death rate. Right here for town A. Before calculating STDR, here we need to calculate ASTR. Already we have studied in the last class ASTR. ASTR means A specific death rate. What is the formula for A specific death rate? By using this formula we have to calculate ASTR. Number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population in that age group in a year into 1000. What is the formula here? ASTR equal to number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population in that age group in a year into 1000. It means here first ASTR we have to write the first age group. What is the first age group here? 0 to 10. It's 0 to 10 death value is 36. That value here right. Death divided by population means numerator is death, denominator is population. What is the death value? 36 divided by 4,000. That value right here. 36 divided by 4,000 into 1000. The 1000 is in the formula. Simplify this value, then we have to get the value of 9. 36 divided by 4,000 into 1000, then we get the value of 9. Next, the remaining three age groups are there. What are the three age groups? 10 to 25, 25 to 60, 60 and above. These three values are calculated directly in the table. How we calculate? Here we create one table. What is the table? First we have to write the age group in years. So what is the age group in years? 0 to 10, 10 to 25, 25 to 60, 60 and above. Next, the second column is what is population. Which type of population? This is the town A population we have to write. What are the town A population? 4,000. These values are given in the question. 4,000, 12,000, 6,000, 8,000. Next, deaths value. Which deaths value here? Town A. These values we have to write in the table. 36, 48, 60, 152. Next, the next column is ASTR A. Why we write A means here? Because we have to calculating which town here? Town A. That's why we have to write here ASTR A. How we calculate ASTR A? Above we have solved 1. What is that value first? 9. That value right here. The remaining three are directly calculated in the table. How we calculate here? Death divided by population into 1000. What is the death value here? 48 divided by 12,000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 4. Next, 60 divided by 6,000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 10. 152 divided by 8,000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 19. These values we have to calculate. ASTR A. ASTR A means A specific death rate. How we calculate ASTR A means by using this formula. Next, standard population. Standard population is symbolically defined as what is P. Standard population is this value is already given in the question. The last values, those values right here. What are the standard population values? 2,000, 3,000, 6,000, 4,000. These values we have to write. Next, the last column we have to create. What is the last column? P into A. P means already we know. What is the P means? Standard population value is defined as P. A means ASTR A. These values are ASTR A. Multiply these two terms. It means here 9 into 2000. Then we get 18,000. 4 into 3000. Multiply these two terms. 12,000. 10 into 6000. Then we get 60,000. 19 into 4000. Then we get 76,000. Next, move on the summation of, then we have to solve summation of P. Summation of P means sum of these numbers. Add these numbers, means 2000 plus 3000 plus 6000 plus 4000. Then we get 15,000. Add these numbers. Next, summation of P into A. Summation means sum of these numbers. 18,000 plus 12,000 plus 60,000 plus 76,000. Then we get 1,66,000. This is table for town A. Next, move on the town B. How we calculate town B? Right here for town B. Right here for town B. Here also we need to calculate ASTR. ASTR, what is the formula? ASTR equal to number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population. What is the formula here for town B? Here first we have to, here also we need to calculate ASTR. What is the formula? Number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population in that age group in a year into 1000. By using this formula, here we calculate ASTR. Means town B values are given in the question. First, death divided by population. What is the death value? 30 divided by 3000. That value right here. What is here? ASTR, the first age group is 0 to 10. That value right here, first age group. Death divided means 30 divided by 3000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 10. The remaining 3 age groups are calculated directly in the table. How we calculate? By using this table. Here we create the table. First we have to write age group in years. What are the age groups? 0 to 10, 10 to 25, 25 to 60, 60 and above. These age values are given in the question. By using those values we have to write. Next, population. Which type of population we have to write here? Means town B population. So these values are given in the question. The town B populations. What are the town B population? 3,000, 20,000, 4,000, 3,000. Next, write the death column. What is the death? Which type of death values here? Town B death values. What is the town B death values? 30, 100, 48, 60. Next, here we need to calculate ASTR B. Already we have solved one. What is that value? 10. That value right here. 10 value by using the formula. The remaining 3 are directly calculated. How we calculated? 5, 12, 20 means here death divided by population into 1000. What is the death value? 100. 100 divided by 20,000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 5. 48 divided by 4000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 12. 60 divided by 3000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 20. Next, standard population. Standard population is symbolically defined as P. Already we have written in the town A. Those values here also we have to those values we have to write here. What are the standard population value? 2000, 3000, 6000, 4000. Next, calculate P into B. Already we know P into P means what is standard population is defined as P. B means ASTR B. Multiply these two terms. It means here 10 into 2000, 20,000, 5 into 3000, 15,000, 12 into 6,000, 72,000, 20 into 4,000, 80,000. This is the P into B values. Next, move on the summation of P. Already we know summation of P. Summation means sum of the P values. Add these numbers. 2,000 plus 3,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000. Then we get the value of 15,000. Next, we have to calculate summation of P into B. Summation means sum of these numbers. Means add these numbers. 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 72,000 plus 80,000. Then we get 1,87,000. Next, the main question is, what is main question? We have to calculate STDR of A and STDR of B. Already we know the formula of STDR of A. What is the STDR of A formula? Summation of P into A divided by summation of P. Write this formula. Summation of P into A divided by summation of P. Already we have calculated. What is the summation of PA values is here. Summation of PA value is 1,66,000 and summation of P value is 15,000. That value right here. 1,66,000 divided by 15,000. Divide these two values, then we get what is the value? 11.06. This is the value for STDR A. Next, calculate STDR B. Same formula. B means here we have to write B. A means we have to write A. The formula is summation of P into B divided by summation of P. What is the summation of P into B value? Here is there. What is the summation of P B value? Was 1,87,000. This value right here. 1,87,000 divided by summation of P means 15,000. Divide these two values, then we get 12.46. These two are the STDR A and STDR B. Here, what is the STDR A value is 11.06. STDR B value is 12.46. Observe, this is the for first question. What is the second question here? Which town is healthier? How we find which town is healthier? First we have to observe these two values. Which one is the minimum? Which is the minimum here? 11.06 is the very lowest value comparing to the town B. That's why right here STDR A value is less than STDR B. This symbol is defined as less than. STDR A value is less than STDR B. It means here therefore town A is more healthier. Why it is town A is more healthier? Because the value is here we observe, here we consider the minimum value. Here we take the minimum value. Town A is more healthier. This is for the 10 marks question for town A and town B in your main exam. Very important. Here it is 10 marks. Important question for 10 marks. Next, move on the second question. How we calculate the STDR. One more example is there. What is the example here? For the following data, compute standardized death rates and comment. Here also two questions are there. First we have to compute means calculate. What we have to calculate? Standardized death rates and comment. And here also we have to write their conclusion. Here also one table is given. What is the table here? This table is given in the question. By using this table we have to calculate standardized death rate. What is the table here? Age group in years 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 and above. Next, here locality A is given. In the first question town A and town B. Here second question what is given here? Locality and locality B. In locality two columns are given here also. What is the deaths? Deaths values are 72, 54, 98, 129. Population values are given. What are the population value? 4,000, 9,000, 7,000, 3,000. These two are the locality A. Next, move on the locality B. Here also two columns are there. Deaths value. What is the deaths value? 128, 65, 140, 160. Next, population value 8,000, 13,000, 10,000, 4,000. Next, the last column is what is standard population. What are the standard population value? 6,000, 12,000, 8,000, 4,000. By using this table we have to calculate the standardized death rate. How we calculate standardized death rate here? See here solution. Write here solution for first for locality A. Before calculating a standardized death rate, here we need to calculate ASTR. Already we know how we calculate ASTR. In the above example we have studied. What is the ASTR? Formula: number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population in that age group in a year into 1000. Number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population in that age group in a year into 1000. It means here ASTR first age group is what is 0 to 20. This we have to write. What is the death value here in the question? We have to take the locality A death value. Its locality A death value is what is 72. 72 divided by population is 4000. 72 divided by 4000 into 1000. 1000 is already given in the question. That value right here. 72 divided by 4000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 18. Before next the three columns are calculated. How we three age groups are calculated? By directly in the table. How we calculate here? Create one table. This table we have to create. How we create here? First age group in years. Age group in years is already given in the question. Right here what are the age groups? 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 and above. Next deaths values are given. This value for death locality A. Locality A deaths values you have to write. What are the locality A deaths values? 72, 54, 98, 129. Here locality A populations values we have to write. What are the locality A population value? 4,000, 9,000, 7,000, 3,000. Next, move on the ASTR A. We have to write ASTR A. How we calculate ASTR? This value is we need to calculate. What is the first value? 18. 18 is already we have calculated in the above the table. That value right here. The three values are not calculated. How we calculate these three values? Means death divided by population. It means here 54 divided by 9000 into 1000, then we get the value of 6. 98 divided by 7000 into 1000, then we get the value of 14. 129 divided by 3000 into 1000, then we get the value of 43. Next, move on the standard population. What is standard population? Symbolically defined as P. Standard population is P. These values are given in the question. Standard population values: 6000, 12,000, 8,000, 4,000. Next, the last column we need to calculate. What is the last column here? P into A. P into means standard population into ASTRA. Standard population is symbolically defined as P. P into A. Multiply these two terms. It means here 18 into 6,000. 1 lakh 8,000. Next, 6 into 12,000. It is 72,000. Multiply these two terms. 14 into 8,000. 1 lakh 12,000. 43 into 4,000. 1 lakh 72,000. This is the for P into A value. Next here, right here summation of P. Summation of P means sum of these numbers. Means 6,000 plus 12,000 plus 8,000 plus 4,000. Then we get 30,000. Next is add these numbers. Summation of P into A. Summation of P into A means sum of these numbers. Add these numbers. 1 lakh 8,000, 72,000 plus 1 lakh 12,000 plus 1 lakh 72,000. 4 lakh 64,000. Next, we need to calculate what is the main here standardized death rate. Its short form is STDR of A. How we calculate STDR of A? Already we know the formula. What is the formula? Summation of P into A divided by summation of P. What is the summation of PA value is already calculated. 4,64,000. That value right here. What is the summation of P? Summation of P is 30,000. 4,64,000 divided by 30,000. Then we get the value of 15.47. This value for locality A. Like that we have to calculate the for locality B. Right here for locality B, ASTR. First here also we need to calculate ASTR. The first age group is 0 to 20. The formula is already written above the table. By using this formula we have to calculate. What is the formula? Number of deaths in the specific age group in a year divided by average population in that age group in a year. What is the number of deaths here? The number of death value is 128. Next, population divided by population. What is the population here? 8,000. Death divided by population into 1000. Then we get the value of 16. This is for first age group. The remaining three age groups are calculated directly in the table. How we calculate? By using this table. Means here we need to create the table. What is the table here? How we create this table? First we have to write the age group in years. Already these values are given in the question. What are the age groups here? 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 and above. Next, deaths. Which type of deaths we have to write here? Locality B deaths values. 128, 65, 140, 160. Next, write population. Which type of populations here? Locality B populations we have to write. 8,000, 13,000, 10,000, 4,000. Next, ASTR B. We have to calculate here ASTR B. ASTR B means 16. How we find 16 means already we have to solve it in the above the table. Death divided by population into 1000. Then we get the value of 16. Next, the remaining three are 65 divided by 13,000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 5. Next, 140 divided by 10,000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 14. Next, 160 divided by 4,000 into 1000. Then we get the value of 40. Next, move on the standard population. Standard population is already given in the question. These values for same for both town A and locality B. What are the values here? 6,000, 12,000, 8,000, 4,000. Next, we need to calculate the last column. What is the last column here? P into B. P means standard population. B means ASTR B. It means here multiply these two terms. 16 into 6,000. Then we get 96,000. 5 into 12,000. Then we get 60,000. 14 into 8,000. Then we get 1 lakh 12,000. 40 into 4,000. Then we get 1 lakh 60,000. Next, move on the standard population. Summation of P. Summation of P means sum of these numbers. 6,000 plus 12,000 plus 8,000 plus 4,000. Then we get 30,000. Next, summation of P into B. Summation of P into B means sum of these numbers. 96,000 plus 60,000 plus 1,12,000 plus 1,60,000. Then we get 4,28,000. Next, calculate here ASTR B. How we calculate ASTR B? Already we know the formula. What is the formula here? Standardized death rate. STDR of B means summation of P into B divided by summation of P. What is the summation of P into B? Value is 4 lakh. We have solved. What is the summation of P? 4,28,000. That value right here. 4,28,000 divided by summation of P means value is already 30,000. Divide these two terms. Then we get to 14.27. This is for STDR of B. Next, write on the comment. First question is completed. The second question is comment. Comment means write about the conclusion. See, observe the value. STDR of B value is 14.27. What is the STDR of A value? 15.47. Compare these two values. Which is the minimum here? The locality B is the minimum. That's why here we write the STDR of B is less than STDR of A. Therefore, locality B is more healthier. Why it is more healthier means here we consider the minimum value. That's why locality B is more healthier. Next, example. These two are the for 10 marks questions. Next, third question is also for 10 marks. Important for the one main exam. This is for different from first and second questions. First and second questions are same. The third question is little bit different. It is how. What is the question here? Compute standardized death rates for town A and B, and state which town is held there. Here also two questions are there. Compute means calculate. What we have to calculate? Standardized death rate. Standardized death rate means STDR for town A and B, and state which town is held there, and comment on this problem. Here also one table is given in the question. What is the table here? First, age group in years. What are the age groups in years? 0 to 9, 10 to 29, 30 to 59, 60 and above. Next, town A given. In town A, two columns are there. What are the columns here? Population and deaths per thousand. Here little bit difference. What is in the first and second question? Only death value are given. Here deaths per thousand is given. What are the population values here? 8,900, 13,500, 12,000, 5,000. Next, deaths per thousand. Death per thousand value is 18, 10, 15, 20. Next, move on the town B. In town B, two columns are given. What is the population value? First is population. Right here, population heading. 5,500, 8,700, 6,900, 3,700. Next, deaths per thousand is given. Deaths per thousand, what is the value? 20, 12, 18, 24. Next, the last column is what is standard population. What are the standard population value? 15,000, 35,000, 30,000, 20,000. This is the question. Here one observation is there. What is the observation here? Deaths per thousand. It is defined as ASTR. Already ASTR value is given in this question. In the above two example, ASTR values are not given. That's why we need to calculate ASTR value in the first and second example. Solution. What is the solution here? Death per thousand for town A. Death per thousand for town A. It is defined as what is ASTR for town A. That's why it is defined as A. Deaths per thousand is given. That's why it is taken as A. Next, death per thousand for town B. It is defined as ASTR for town B. It is defined as symbolically B. Here directly we need to calculate the table. Create one table. What is the table? Age group in years. What are the age group in years? 0 to 9, 10 to 29, 30 to 59, 60 and above. Next, standard population. This last column we have to write here. Standard population is symbolically defined as P. What is the standard population value? 15,000, 35,000, 30,000, 20,000. Next, ASTR A value. Here there is no need. There is not necessary in to calculate ASTR. Already given in the question. ASTR A values. These values are defined as ASTR A values. What are the ASTR A value? 18, 10, 15, 20. Next, ASTR B value is already given. ASTR B values. What are the ASTR B value? 20, 12, 18, 24. Here we need to calculate P into A and P into B value. What is the P into A value is here multiply these two terms. Means here 15,000 into 18,000. Multiply these two terms. Then we get 2,70,000. Next 35,000 into 10,000. Then we get 3,50,000. Next 30,000 into 15. Then we get 4,50,000. Next 20,000 into 20. Then we get 4 lakh. This is for P into A value. Next move on the how we calculate P into B value. How we calculate P into B value here is there. What is the P into A value? P is already there. 15,000 into 20,000. Then we get 3 lakh. Next 35,000 into 12. Then we get 4,20,000. 30,000 into 18. Then we get 5,40,000. Multiply those two terms. 20,000 into 24. Then we get 4,80,000. Next add the summation of P. Summation of P means sum of these numbers. What is the sum of these numbers here? 15,000 plus 35,000 plus 30,000 plus 20,000. Then we get the value of 1 lakh. Next move on the summation of P into A. Means add these numbers. How we add these numbers? Summation of P A means 2,70,000 plus 3,50,000 plus 4,50,000 plus 4 lakh. Then we get 14,70,000. Next add these numbers. Summation of P into B. Summation of P into B means add these numbers. 3 lakh plus 4,20,000 plus 5,40,000 plus 4,80,000. Then we get 17,40,000. Next move on the STDRA. Directly we have to calculate STDRA. What is the STDRA value is? What is the formula for STDRA? Summation of P into A divided by summation of P. Means write this value. 14,70,000 divided by summation of P means 1 lakh. Then we get the value of 14.7. Next STDR of B. What is the STDR of B formula? Summation of P into B divided by summation of P. Summation of P means already here is there. What is summation of P means? 17,40,000. This value right here. 17,40,000 divided by summation of P means for both the value is same 1 lakh. Divide these two, then we get the 17.4. This is for STDRA and STDR of B. Observe these two value. Which one is the minimum here? Observe these value. The STDRA is minimum comparing to the STDR of B. It means here STDR of A is less than STDR of B. Therefore 14.7 is less than 17.4. That's why town A is more healthier. Which is more healthier? Town A is more healthier. This is for also 10 marks question. These three are the for 10 marks questions for STDRA and standardized death rate. What is the standardized death rate? Means here standardized death rates are two formulas are there. Summation of P into A divided by summation of P. One more is summation of P into B divided by summation of P.